Hi student. Yesterday we start our topic. It's our differential equation. Till now we have discussed about in which what we have seen that what is our differential equation. Then by definition of differential equation, then after that we have discussed uh, our order and degree of differential equation. Then now we have discussed the topic of how can we form. Actually, it's our whole chapter is divided in three portions there. First, our problem based on to find out order and degree of differential equation. Then, secondly, then we have to be check that it's a particular solution is any solution is of differential equation or not. Then we are going to form out our differential equation by given curves. How can we find out the differential equations by given curves? Then we have to find out solution of differential equation. There are basically three methods to solve our differential equations by method of elimination substitution. We have by method of variable separable. Then used by it's our solution of homogeneous equations there, and then it's a linear form there. There is our linear form solution there of differential equation. But we have discussed some problems to form our differential equation. Then we are going to start with again with some problems to make our differential equation. Start with one of the basic problem. We have to form the differential equation representing the family of curves. Curves is given as form the differential equation representing the family of curves. Equation is given as x square plus y minus b whole square equal to 1. Form the differential equation of representing the family of curves, and the equation of curve is given there. What is given there? It's a x square plus y minus b whole square equal to 1. Now look, yesterday we have discussed that to form any differential equation we have to check that how many parameters or how many variables there. Now look, there is only single variable b, then it means we have to just differentiate this equation by once. We shall differentiate it by one times only. Then we are going to differentiating with respect to x. Then what do we have? Radius of x square is what? Yes, it's a 2x. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Now differentiation of this y minus b square is what? 2y minus b using chain rule. And then we have again radius of this y minus b. Then we have dy dx and equal to, sorry, it's a 1. The derivative of constant is 0 there. Now we have differentiated one times because there is only one parameter b there. 2x plus 2y minus b dy dx equal to 0. Also this 2 cannot be equal to 0, then or this can be written as x plus y minus b. We can write down this dy dx. We can write down dy dx as y dash d2y dx to y double dash. Then we can write down here y dash is equal to 0. Now look, we have to eliminate this b. Then what we do there? Look, take this is our equation 1. From here we are going to find out the value of y minus b. The value of y minus b is what? It's minus x divided by y dash. It's a minus x divided by y dash. We have to eliminate this constant value. Then what do we do? Take this equation 2. Now we are going to do putting the value of this equation 2 at the place of y minus b, what? Minus x by y. Then look, what do we do? We are going to put the value of y minus b. What is this? Minus x to y prime in the equation 1 there. Then from equation 1 and 2, what we have? We have here x square. The value of y minus b is what? Minus x. Then minus x upon y dash whole square equal to 1. Also we can write now x square plus x square y dash square equal to 1, or after solving what we have, y dash square x square plus x square equal to y dash square. This is our, this is what? This is our differential equation of the curve given by the curve x square plus y minus b whole square equal to 1. Now we are going to move, we are going to take up another example here. We have discussed formation of differential equation, and then now look, we are going to take another problem there. Now what do you given that? We have to form the form the differential equation corresponding to we have to form the differential equation corresponding to x by a plus y by b equal to 1 by eliminating constant a and b. Obviously we have to eliminate the constant a and b. We have to form the differential equations corresponding to given curve is what? It's a given curve x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Take this one. What we have to do? We have to form the differential equation corresponding to curve x by a plus y by b equal to 1 by eliminating constant a and b. Look, we have two parameters there, a and b. We have to be eliminate this a and b. Then to eliminate this a and b, we have to differentiate this given equation 2 times. Then we start differentiating with respect to x. And what do we have? X is 1, then we have 1 by a plus here what we have 1 by y, and the differentiation of y is what? Dy dx, and constant is 0. Now then again differentiating with respect to x. Then now what we have? This is our constant, then we have 0 and 1 by b d2y dx2 equal to 0. This b cannot be equal to 0, then our equation is what? d2y dx equal to 0. This is our differential equation for the given curve x by a plus y by b equal to 1. It's represent our differential equation for the curve. What is I'm going to give you it's a given curve is what? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. There is 2 parameters, there is 2 constant a and b. We have to remove these parameters a and b. Then to remove this, the number of parameters it indicate we have to be going to differentiate how many times there. There are 2 constants a and b. We have to form a differential equation. We have to be differentiate this given curve 2 times. What do we do? We have a curve x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Then we are going to differentiate it. Then we get 1 by a. Dx of y by b is what? 1 by b dy dx. This is 1 is constant. Derivative is 0. Now, then we are again going to differentiate it. The derivative of 1 by a is 0. And then 1 by b is constant. Then we have d2y dx2. Dx of dy dx is what? dy dx2 and 0. Now, this b is cannot equal to 0, then we have d2y dx equal to 0. This is our differential equation for the curve x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Now we are moved to our next topic. We are going to move to our next problem, to next topic. Look, now we have to form the here we have to form the differential equation of the family of curves x by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Now we have formed the differential equation of family of curves x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Now again look, in given curve what we have seen that there is again 2 parameters a and b. Then to find out to make its differential form, we have to be differentiate this 2 times. Then start differentiating with respect to x, what we get? It's a 1 by a square is constant, then we have 2x a square here. Here what we get? B square is constant, then we get 2y b square and also dy dx by using our chain rule, and constant is 0 there. Now this 2 cannot be 0, then also we can write down x by a square plus y by b square into dy dx equal to 0. Now look, we are going to again differentiate it, differentiating with respect to x. Then now what we have? We have here 1 by a square plus, look, we have to multiply is this y into b square divided dx 2 times, because it's a convert in the product form. Then we have to be differentiate it 2 times here, because again differentiating we have to be put the value there. Then now when we are differentiate, it's a 2x, we take it out 2, then now again when you are going to again differentiate, it's a 1 by a square. Now we have to be multiply this, then we have y by b square into d2y dx2, then plus we have differentiate this, then we have to now plus dy dx into what we have 1 by b square, and again we have this dy dx and equal to 0. Now we are going to arrange it. What we have after second time differentiation, we have 1 by a square plus y by b square d2y dx2 plus 1 by b square dy dx whole square equal to 0. Now look, what we do, since it's our equation is what, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, then what we do, first of all, look, there are 2 parameters here. Then what we do, we are going to differentiate it 2 times there. Then after differentiating 2 times, what we get after first time, we get there, it's a 2x by a square plus 2y dy dx, 2y by b square dy dx equal to 0. Then taking out, since 2 cannot go to 0, then we take out 2 there. Then what we have x by a square plus y by b square dy dx equal to 0. Then we are going to again differentiate it. Then what we get? We get 1 by a square plus y by b square y by b square, and second derivative d2 by dx2 plus dy dx 1 by b square into dy dx equal to 0. Then what we do, after getting the value, what we do, we are from here going to find out the value of there, since it's the form of, we have to convert this. Then after getting this value, we are going to put this value in the, we have to be eliminate this. Then look, to eliminate this, we have to put the value in the equation there to remove this. Now look, we have 1 by a square plus y by b square d2 by dx2 plus 1 by b square dy dx whole square 0. From here we get the value of 1 is a square is what, is equal to minus y by b square, we can write down it's y double dash plus 1 b square, and it's our y dash square. Now to eliminate this, we are going to put the values of this 1 by a square in the which equation? We have to put there. Look, we are going to put the our equation. The value of this is take this is equation 2. If we are going to put the value in our equation 2, what is our equation 2 there? Our equation 2 is what? It's a x by a square plus y by b square dy dx equal to 0. Now we are going to put the value of this 1 by a square here. Then what we have? We have multiplied with this x, then we have minus x y b square y double dash, also this multiplied with x, plus x by b square y dash whole square, and then this terms plus y by b square, we can write down dy by dx as a y dash y prime equal to 0. Now look, here our a is eliminated there from there. Now we have to eliminate our b square, take out b square common, because our b square cannot be equal to 0 there. Then now finally what we have? Minus x y y double dash means minus x y d2 by dx2 plus x dy dx whole square and plus y and into dy dx equal to 0. This is our required differential equation for the given curve. What is our differential equation for the given curve is? It's what? X y minus x y y dash. We can also shift to our right hand side to make a positive there. It's a minus x y y dash, then plus our x plus x y dash whole square plus y y dash equal to 0. Then we can also shifting the values there. Now we get our required solution. Now I am going to again revise what we do in this formation of differential equation. First of all, there is two variables a and b. Then we are going to differentiate it 2 times. We get 2x a square plus 2y b square dy is equal to 0. Then taking out 2 common there, because 2 is not equal to 0, then our x by a square plus y by b square dy is equal to 0. Taking out this equation number 2. Then again differentiating, and after differentiating we get the this, and then we get the find out the value of 1 by a square of constant. To getting the value of 1 by a square, putting the value of this 1 by a square here, then in here what we get after putting this value, after shifting this value, look, one of the error what we have done, 1 by a square we take minus this minus, but we cannot take this is a negative. That's my apology to you. Then minus, then we are going to put, then also we have here minus there plus y by dash, then we get also minus there. Then also we can write down it's by our differential equation y prime is equal to x y double prime plus x y prime whole square. Y prime means it's our y dy dx equal to x y d2 by dx2 plus x dy dx whole square. This is our required differential equation for the given curve. Now we are moved to our next problem. Now look, in our next problem, what is given there? It's now we have to form the differential equation representing the given family of curve. What is our family of curve? Y is equal to, we given a family of curve, y is equal to e to power x a cos x plus b sin x, a cos x plus b sin x. Now we have the problem. Form the differential equation by for representing the curve by y is equal to e to power x a cos x plus b sin x. Look, Again, there is two parameters, there is two arbitrary constant a and b. Then to form this differential equation, what we have to do? We have to be differentiated again two times, starting with first differentiating with respect to x. We are going to differentiate with respect to x. Then what is our dy dx is equal to, look, it's a product of this e to power x and a cos x plus bx. Then when we differentiate this e to power x, then we have e to power x and a cos x plus b sin x. Then plus we have to differentiate this e to power x. What is the value of a cos x? It's a minus a sin x plus b cos x. Now e to power x, a cos x plus b sin x plus e to power x minus a sin bx. Then our e to power x, a cos x bx is what? It's a y. Then we can write down it's y. Dy dx is equal to y plus e to power x minus a sin x plus b cos x. Now we are going to again differentiate it. Write down here again differentiating. And now what we have? We have d2y dx2 is equal to dy dx. Now look, again we have to use product rules here. Then first of all we take differentiation of this e to power x. Then e to power x, write down this minus a sin x plus b cos x. Now we have to differentiate this. Then we have plus e to power x. Now we get minus a cos x and again here minus b sin x, because definition of cos x is what? Sin x. Now look, when we take minus common from there, then it's a cos x plus b sin x, then it's a minus y e to power x. We convert this minus y e to power x. Look, now our d2y dx2 is what? Is equal to dy dx plus, we can write down, it's taking minus common up, then e to power x, a cos x plus b sin x is what? It's our y. Then here we have minus y. We have minus y. Now look, we have to find the value of this e to power x minus a sin b plus cos x. From here, look, this is our equation 1 and this is our equation number 2. From 2, here get the value of this e to power x minus a sin x plus b cos x is what? It's equal to dy dx minus y. Dy dx minus y. Now what is our differential equation? Now we have d2y dx2, take out there, it's a minus 2 dy dx and minus y plus 2y equal to 0. This is our required differential equation for the curve y is equal to e to power x, a cos x plus b sin x. I am going to again revise it. What do we do? Since there is two parameters, there is given two parameters there, then what we do? First of all, we are going to differentiate with respect to x, then dy dx using product of f into z, dx of f, then into z plus z dx of f, then we get e to power x, a cos x plus b sin x plus e to power x minus a sin x plus b cos x. Then what we do? Again, the value of this e to power x, a cos x plus b sin x is what? Is equal to y, putting here y, and giving that it's our equation number 2. Then we are going to again differentiate it with respect to x. Then we have d2y dx2 is equal to dy dx, again using product rule there. Then using product rule, what we have, taking out this minus common, then we have it's minus e to power x in bracket a cos x plus b sin x. Using 1, we put here y, it's a dy dx, and the value of e to power x and the value of e to power x minus a sin x plus b cos x. We get the value of this from equation 2, it's equal to dy dx minus y. Now after rearranging, we have the value d2y dx2 minus 2 dy dx plus 2y equal to 0. This is our differential equation for the given curve. Now look, move to next example to form our differential equation. Now look, we are going to next problem there. What is let's take it we are going to take it from it's our NCERT book. What do we have? Look, find the differential equation of the family of circles touching the y-axis at the origin. What do we have to do? Here we have to find the differential equation of family of circles. It's from NCERT textbook. Find the differential equation of family of circles touching the y-axis at the origin. Find the equation of find the differential equation of family of circles touching the y-axis at origin. To find out this, look, it's a word problem there. Then now to find out this differential equation, we have to be form it's a curve equation there. And first of all, we are going to draw figure there. Family of circles touching the y-axis at origin. And it's our point axis. Touching the y-axis, this is our origin. Touching the y-axis, it's a circle. Touching the y-axis at the origin. This is our circle. Touching the y-axis at the origin. Now look, just suppose we are going to find out, this is our equation of circle having a radius A. If its radius is A, then from this is our center O. Sorry, we can take O prime as the center because O is also origin there. If our O prime is center, its radius is A there, then what is the coordinate of this origin? Yes, it's our A0. Now we take the radius is A, then the center of circle is our A0. Now, what is our equation of circle? Then our equation of circle is having center A0 is what? X minus A whole square plus y minus 0 whole square means y square equal to A square because our radius is A. Now we from given condition, from given criteria, what we get? We get here the value of our equation of curve there. It's a x minus A square plus y square equal to A square. Then now we are getting the equation of curve there. Look, how many parameters there? We have the curve equation x minus A square plus y square equal to A square. Here we have only one parameter there, A. Then we have to find out its differential equation. We have to just differentiate it only once time. Then differentiating with respect to x. What do we have? It's 2 times x minus a, integers of x is 1, a is 0, plus y square is what? It's a 2y and dy dx, and derivative of a square is what? 0. Now what do we have? Take out 2 common there. Then now what we have? We have r, it can be write down x minus a plus y dy dx equal to 0. Now look, we have to be eliminate this a there. This is our equation number 1. This is from here what we get? We get the value of x minus a. What is the value of x minus a? Is equal to minus y dy dx. What will we do? We are going to substitute the value of this x minus a in equation 1. Look, we are not, because it's get a there. the value of x minus a, we are going to put the value of x minus a where? From there, then we have to put the value of x minus a here. Then now look, it's minus y dy dx. We have to eliminate this. Putting the value of this, look, it's a square. I hope so. We are not even done any mistake there. Look, we have to find the family of circles touching the y-axis at the origin. Our equation of circle is given by x minus a whole square plus y square equal to a square. Then differentiating with respect to x, then we get our equation family of circle touching the y-axis. Its coordinate is what? If we suppose our radius is a, then its center is a0. Then we have the equation of circle is what? X minus a square plus y square, and radius is a, then a square. Then it's only one alpha arbitrary constant a there. Then after differentiation, what we have? We have 2 times x minus a plus 2y dy dx equal to 0. Then from here, now we have x minus a plus y dy dx equal to 0. Then the value of x minus a is what? Minus dy dx. Now look, now you have to be supposed that where we are going to put the value of this x minus a to be getting the rid of this a, because look, when we are going to put the value of here, then we cannot get the rid of a square there. Then what do we do there? How can we do there to solve it? Look, we get the value of x minus a. Then before I am going to differentiating this, first of all, we are going getting a problem there, because if we are going to be solve this equation, what we facing the problem that in this when we are going to find the value of this x minus a dy dx, then what do we do? We cannot get rid of this a square there. Then to solve this equation, what we have to do? We have to first of all we have to solve this equation, because when we are going to solve this equation, then we can easily get rid of this a square. Now first of all, we are going to expand this x minus a square. Then what we have? X square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square equal to 0, because when we are not going to get rid of this a square, then we are not going to find out easily our differential equation there. This is our a square. Now this is a square cancel out. Now we have equation x square minus 2ax, or we can write down it's x square plus y square equal to 2ax. Now take this equation number 2, and from here now we are going to be differentiate it. Since look, it's only one parameter a, then we have to differentiate one times. Then we have 2x plus 2y dy dx is equal to 2a. Cancel out 2. Then we have x plus y dy dx equal to a. Now look, what we do? We get the value of a, and now to get rid of, we are going to put the value of a is where? Our equation number 2. Using 2 and 3, what we have? X square plus y square is equal to, it's a value of 2a. We have to put the value of a here, it's a 2x. Then what we have? We get 2x square plus 2xy dy dx. Now we can write down it: x square plus y square minus 2x square minus 2xy and y prime equal to 0. This is our differential equation for the given curve for the touching the y axis. What is our equation is that we have x square plus y square. We can also solve this value minus x square. Then we can be easily write down minus x square plus y square minus 2xy. You can arrange this sign there. This is our required differential equation for the curve, which is a family of circles touching the y-axis at the origin. Now this is enough for today. Thanks to all.